Admirable onlookers, get ready for a wild ride as we uncover the secrets of a flipped plate, a determined mechanic, and an unforeseen obstacle that keeps the RPM guessing. Today, the daring task of transplanting an electric motor into the heart of a beastly engine bay.
You qualified for that? Well, I'm gonna do it.
Buckle up and prepare for laughter and excitement. Our story starts with our fearless mechanic carefully maneuvering the electric motor into position. With the grace of a ballet dancer and the strength of 1,000 hulking gorillas, the motor finds its home next to the gearbox. Easy peasy, right? Well, not quite. As our enthusiast steps back to admire his work, they suddenly realize something is amiss.
That is messed up, yo.
Comparing pictures from before the motor was removed, he spotted a ghastly mistake. A plate was mistakenly flipped, transforming the elegant creation into a peculiar puzzle. Uh-oh, time for some recalibrating. Undeterred by this blunder, our mechanic dives right back into action. Motor out, plate off, clutch and flywheel removed. It's a symphony of disassembling. But that's not all, folks. Our enthusiast even takes a moment to fix a broken thread on the motor. Talk about dedication. Once everything is fixed and dandy, it's time for round 2. The motor is gingerly placed back into the engine bay. Our enthusiast mechanic, now inside the belly of the beast, works his magic, aligning the motor with the gearbox like a celestial mechanic connecting stars in the cosmic engine of the universe. But wait. There's a twist. The motor controller, previously residing beneath the motor, decides it wants a change of scenery. I want to feel the wind in my electronic circuits, it proclaims. So our resourceful enthusiast modifies the frame, creating mounts for the controller on top of the motor. Think of it as redecorating the engine bay high-tech style. With cables flying left and right, our mechanic reconnects everything like a maestro, conducting a symphony of tangled wires.
Everything seems fine. The battery is fully charged. Let's give some power to the motor. It's running.
The moment of truth arrives as the engine roars to life.
And for some reason this motor just wanna start spinning sometimes.
At first, all seems well, but life has a funny way of throwing wrenches into our plans. Just when our enthusiast thought the adventure was over, a mysterious gremlin decides to pay a visit. The RPM drops to 0, despite the unmistakable sound of the motor still spinning. The plot thickens, my friends. But fear not, this is only the beginning of our saga. To uncover the thrilling conclusion of this automotive escapade, you must subscribe and eagerly await the next part. Will our enthusiast conquer the unknown issue? Will they triumph over the mischievous gremlin? Only time will tell, my fellow thrill seekers. So buckle up, subscribe, and get ready for more jaw-dropping, laugh-inducing, engine-revving action in the next episode of Motor Madness. Stay tuned, because the fun has only just begun.